Hello and welcome to the subject of semantics. Here we are going to discuss concepts and distinctions in semantics. Our today's discussion is what is substance and form in the field of semantics. Let's move to discuss substance and form. Sound and symbols such as letters of the alphabet that represent sounds in writing are the raw material of the language. Look, sounds. How many sounds do we have in English language? We have 44 sounds. And symbols, we have 26 symbols like alphabets from A to Z. Okay, so the sounds and symbols such as letters of the alphabet, and that those letters of the alphabet represent sounds, so they are the raw material of the raw means uncooked, not cooked. Like out of those sounds and symbols you can make any word you like. They are the phonic sound and graphic written substance of the language, and out of those sounds we have the field of phonetics, phonic, and then out of those symbols we have the graphic written system, and they are known as the substance of the language. Okay, in themselves they have no meaning. Individual sound or individual letter, individual symbol, individual alphabet, they don't have any meaning. It is only when they are given a particular shape or order that they become meaning. That is, it is only when they have some form that they have meaning. So in themselves they don't have any meaning individually. Individual sound and individual letter or alphabet or symbol, they don't have any at all. But when they are given a particular shape or order, they become meaning. That is, it is only when they have some form that they have meaning. For example, if I say C, A, T, they are the individual sound. If you write them, they will have the individual symbols. They don't have any meaning. But when I put them together in a particular order, in a particular shape, we try to give those symbols in some form, they have meaning. Like C-A-T, cat. Next, all distinct sounds produced by human speech organs and written scripts are the substance of, just remember, all distinct sounds produced by human speech organs and written scripts, they are known as substance of a cluster of sounds such as n, t, a, etc. is only noise. If I say n, t, a, it's only noise, only sound. They have no meaning. They don't carry any meaning. We don't understand what do these sounds mean. Next, they must be suitably arranged into some form to make it meaning. It is only when the sounds are arranged in a certain way, that is net, that we can see some meaning. It is just as if there is a log of wood which has no shape, and the carpenter makes a chair or table out of it. He has changed the substance. So here is a good example. We have a log of wood, a piece of wood, and out of that piece of wood you can give the shape of a chair, give the shape of a table, you can give the shape of a cupboard, and so on, as a carpenter does. So the words and the symbols and the sounds, they are also like log of wood. Those are the substance of language. If you give them proper form, a particular shape, then they will have the meaning. Like N-T-E-N, just reverse, it will become 10. Next, substance and form are two parts of the qualitative language. Substance, which is the mere sound or word, is only the signifier. Remember, in Chaucer's terms, and in order to make sense, it must be linked with the signified, that is meaning or the concept. So substance, which is the mere sound or word, is signified. So substance of language, which includes sounds and the symbols, what we call word, they refer to signifier. But when you put them in order, that gives the meaning or the concept, that is signified. Sounds, when arranged in a particular order, signify something. Of course, when you put them into particular order, they signify something meaningful. Words, when arranged in a particular order, express some meaningful idea or semi. This means that arrangement itself gives form to the substance of the language. For sure, arrangement itself gives form to the substance of the language. If you put words or the sounds in a particular form, then it will give the meaning. The same thing in a different form has been explained. Language quality. Look, language quality, it has two parts, substance and form. Substance, normally we call it raw material, and it is meaningless because they are individual sounds and the alphabets or letters. But you put them, that substance, you give them form in a particular order, becomes meaning. Then substance, it is further divided into two parts. We have phonic, we have graphic, that is sound and the written. Then phonic, it has further phonemes, sound sounds like ka, ba, ta. Then graphic, it is divided into morphemes and graphemes. Morphemes refer to later. Graphemes refer to bits like tion, able, co, like this, and then a, d, c. Levels of form. Form has two steps: parts, expression, shape, form of element, and this regardless of meanings. Form, content, level of meaning, and grammar and semantics. Expression, you can express what you like. Sometimes your sentence is correct. Structurally, the shape and the form is correct, but it does not give any meaning. Like here, the bachelor gave birth to a baby. He's not married. This is grammatically correct. It has a form. It has a shape, but meaningfully it is doubtful. How can the bachelor gives a baby? So this is the area of discussion: level of meanings, and then grammar and semantics. That's all. Now it's time to talk about questions. Explain briefly substance and form. Question: write true or false against each statement. Letters of alphabet are raw materials of the language. True. The phonic refers to written substance. False. Next question: substance and form are two parts of the quality of language. True. The graphic refers to sound, substance of language. False. All distinct sounds produced by human speech organs and written scripts are the substantial. True. Thank you and goodbye.